Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Here's another update on the railcar. So I just remembered to load the video I filmed last night. I was too tired, I forgot about it. I just loaded it right now. Okay, so what do we see here? The railcar, I still have to fit the roof. Let's pop the roof off. I've installed the two partition walls, the cab partition walls. So here it's a bit deeper because we've got cab and luggage compartments. You can see that here's the wee door to go through. To be able to fit these, I glued the partition wall to a small trimming from when I cut out the windows of 0.75 styrene using Tamiya cement, and then I used the glue and glaze PVA glue to glue it all onto the metal chassis. Let's pop it around the other side. Same story over here. The cab here is shorter because it's just a cab. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use another of these small trimmings to make the engine cowling in here, which engine cowling I will paste directly. It'll be just something very, very light, and I'm going to paste it directly to the bodywork at the front, like that and like that, so that it will be integral with the bodywork when we lift it off. Then I'm going to make a very small driver's seat as well on both sides, left-hand drive. These are left-hand drive rail cars, and this cab is a wee bit short, so I'm going to keep the engine cowling 1 centimeter long. There'll be kind of tight space to pass through the door here at the back, but it is a rail car cab in the end. Not the most comfortable one, of course, and the important thing is that you can see some detail from outside. So let's put the roof back on and let's see what it looks like from a lower angle. You can see that now. We can see some detail when we look in the front, and this will make the cab stand out better. Let's go and see the other side. That's quite nice. I just drew the door using a marker pen, the glass marker, black marker pen. There's no point in making complicated three-dimensional things. I mean, it's inside, and this also allows the windscreen wipers to stand out. So the interior will be in white, painted white, and then to make it more airy. The bonnet, the engine cowling, I'll probably paint it kind of beige or something of the kind. That would be a typical colour. I remember in Fiat buses, old Fiat buses with a front engine, the engine cowling in the cab was a kind of brownish beige colour. So there we go. Oh, and once I've done this, I'll be gluing the roof on. So the work continues. Cheerio, and see you shortly. Ciao, ciao. Not bad.